Hey everyone, I'm Smith, and welcome to day 2 of our 100-day challenge to build a stronger and healthier body. If you took that first step yesterday, then today we're going to activate more muscles with simple but effective movements, taking another step forward on this journey. Ready? Let's go! To start, do about 5 minutes of light walking or gentle stretches for your arms, neck, and legs to get your body moving. Workout plan. 1. Static lunges. 3 sets, 10 reps per leg. Step 1 foot forward and the other back. Keep your spine straight and eyes forward. Lower your body slowly until your front thigh is nearly parallel to the ground. Make sure your front knee doesn't go beyond your toes. Then, push back up. This movement works your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. 2. Glute Bridge. 3 sets, 12 reps. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Raise your hips until your body forms a straight line from knees to shoulders. Squeeze your glutes at the top, hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower back down. This targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. 3. Wall push-ups. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Place your hands on a wall at shoulder height. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Slowly lean toward the wall, then push yourself back to the starting position. This movement activates your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. 4. Crunches. 3 sets, 15 reps. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head or across your chest. Use your core to lift your upper body slightly off the ground. Keep your neck relaxed and focus on the abdominal contraction. This helps strengthen your abs and overall core. Finish with 5 minutes of light stretching to help your muscles relax and recover. Thanks for sticking with me so far. Every day you train, you become stronger and more motivated. Remember, workouts are just one part of the journey. What truly matters is consistency and commitment. I'm here to support you, so if you like this video, leave a like, drop a comment, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow. Stay strong and healthy.